Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw Launch 4, which is a little bitty, teeny tiny, kind of sort of nifty automatic knife. And this is supposed to be California legal, which means the blade is under 2 inches, I think. Anyway, if you live in California, you should double check that and make sure, because I wouldn't trust some dude on YouTube for if my knife is legal or not. Alright, so here's the Launch 4. Let me grab a ruler real quick. So, this is an automatic knife, and it's about just a hair over 3 inches closed, and it's got a pocket clip. The pocket clip can only go here, and so it has a little plunger lock. So we just push it. Ooh, neat. Kind of cool looking little knife. Let's see. Let's see if our blade makes it. Looks like it just barely squeaks in. Under 2 inches. So let's see. Push it in and close it back. It's got pretty good action. It has like a nice little snap to it. Now, a couple things. This is not ambidextrous, as you can see. If I wanted to shred, I don't think it would shred my glove or me, but it doesn't really work left-handed. I guess maybe you could do it upside down, which feels super weird. Yeah. So this is very much a right-handed knife, and I'm assuming it's made in the USA. Yeah, there we go. Made in the USA, and I guess it's probably, I don't know what that symbol's for. A backwards flag? Yeah. Anyway, all right. So let's see. It's not super, it's weird. It feels very solid, first of all, and it feels heavier than it actually is. It's about 2 ounces, but it feels like it's heavier than 2 ounces. Maybe because of the size or the denseness. Density, maybe? It only has one place for the pocket clip and only one option. No pocket clip on this side. And as I said, it's very much not an ambidextrous knife. It is, however, kind of cool. I wonder, let's see, if I'm banging this around in my pocket, will I accidentally push this button? Doesn't feel like it. So yeah, that's good. So CPM 154 steel, which is not bad. Let's see how sharp this thing is. I'll knock everything over off to the side. Alright. So, if you are ever trapped out in the wilds and attacked by a rogue post-it note, will you be able to defend yourself with the Kershaw Launch 4 post-it note? Launch 4. You're probably safe from post-it notes. Maybe. That seems pretty sharp. Kind of a neat little knife. It's not available on Amazon, but I'll include a link in the description if you want to check out somewhere to get it. I think you can get it like at, I don't know, one of the many various online knife stores. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's not super expensive. It's like 70 bucks, 60 bucks, something in that range. And I'm kind of wondering if maybe, I don't know. I'm wondering if one of my sisters might like this. it's not like, I'm trying to figure out if it's the kind of knife that they would consider as cute. Cute. My little air quotes, cute. I don't know. I'll have to ask him and see. Anyway. I'm not sure if either of my sisters are really ready for an automatic knife yet, not, or, yeah. I don't know if either of my sisters are quite ready for an automatic knife or not. I finally, I think, got them into Swiss Army knives. At least, they're either into Swiss Army knives or humoring me. So, either way. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Have y'all tried the Launch 4? You like it? Don't like it? Is there something else I should try that's better? I kind of like the size of it. It's kind of like I get this feels like the kind of non-intimidating automatic that you could carry around and like not freak people out with. Because like, okay, let me give you two comparisons. So we have a Microtech out the front, and we have a Benchmade CLA, and we have the Kershaw Launch 4. So this, kind of cute, probably not going to get much flack if you wanted to open a box with this or open a letter or whatever. So not terribly intimidating, some might say cute. Then you have this, which probably on the low end of intimidating automatics, but still, I mean, like there's a pretty noticeable size difference, and so you got that one, and then in comparison to like an out the front, yeah. This is one of those ones that you probably aren't going to want to carry around like at the office or wherever. One of the good things about this knife, though, just as a tangent, is the slide here is strong enough that you're not going to probably accidentally open it in your pocket. Anyway, so if you're looking for kind of a cute, maybe cute, I don't know, a neat little automatic, this might not be a bad choice. It feels pretty solid too. I mean, it doesn't. Oops, I pushed the plunger in a little bit. It feels very solid. Seems like it'd be pretty easy to clean, and it doesn't seem like this would get pushed in your pocket a lot. I mean, it takes a decent amount of effort to press the plunger. And it's got a gratifying little snap to it when you pop it open. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's something I should try out, let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.